Also, und dann sieht man hier auch die ganze Schweißnahtvorbereitungen.
Aluminum components for the aviation industry. The company MKS built a whole new manufacturing hall in order to produce parts like these. The aluminum components have to be kept separate from steel during production. The company started with the building expansion work at a time when business wasn't going well.
We discussed it as a family, whether we should stop building. But we decided to go ahead, which was good because as soon as things picked up, we were ready to go.
They always make important decisions like these together. The four sisters took over the company from their father. As women in management, they're still something of a rarity in the metal industry. The second youngest of the four trained in metalwork and mechanical engineering. She now heads up the company. Right from the age of 15, she knew that this was the right place for her.
I started to think about my future, what I wanted to do. And it was clear to me pretty quickly that I wanted to work with metal. I'd always enjoyed it during school holidays. And so one Sunday morning I mentioned at the breakfast table that I wanted to do an apprenticeship in this area. And suddenly everyone went quiet around the table. No one had expected it.
Today, Christel Schreiber is in charge of 60 employees. In the steel manufacturing hall, they produce custom-made pipes for a whole variety of applications. Their products were also used in the construction of the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The raw materials are managed by Christel Schreiber's sister, who's in charge of purchasing. The accounts are also done in the family.
Okay, alles klar. Gut.
Now Christel Schreiber has just developed an in-house design department.
So this is a welded part, which is developed first in individual components, so they can be processed and lasered individually.
This laser cutting system cost the company around €500,000. The power coating plant was another major investment. The company has to make sure these investments generate enough additional income to make them worthwhile. Christel Schreiber's father, the founder of the company, still helps to advise on big decisions like these. Right now, the company is working on an order that involves producing protective housing for large-scale machinery. Their products are currently being exported all over Europe. Many times they work to order, designing custom-made solutions and then manufacturing and installing them.
When you see the products that we manufacture actually in use and all the different places that they end up, you can say, we helped to produce that. And so there's always a sense of pride in that.
These days, business is running well. When they want a break, the sisters love to go up onto the roof and enjoy the view. Here in the state of Baden-Württemberg, the metal industry has a long tradition. The area also has a reputation for hard work and high quality, a tradition the sisters plan to continue.